Hi everyone. Today is the first class of your class 8th standard science subject. Let me start with the chapter 1, that is natural resources. In our environment, we can find many things. In that, some of them are living and some of them are non-living. However, these things are useful to us. How means by the way of resources. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ meaning of natural resources. What is the meaning of natural resources means the things occur in nature and that are useful to us. That means whatever the things which are occur in the nature that are useful to us are called as natural resources. Natural resources are of two types, that is living resources and non-living resources. Resources means the things which are useful to us. So living resources means the resources which are derived from the living organisms. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. Living resources is of two types, that is forest and wildlife. What we get from the forest? We can get the products like timber, and the animal products like leather, wool. These are the living resources. That means resources which are derived from the living organisms. Next, non-living resources. Non-living resources means resources which are non-living. Example, fossil fuels, soil, water, air, mineral ores. Fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Have you seen the petroleum products like kerosene, diesel, petrol? So these are available in the earth. How means many years ago the organisms which are dead are buried in the soil. By the formation of that fossil fuels are formed. So these non-living resources are useful for us. And again, non-living resources are classified into two types, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. What is the meaning of renewable? ಅಂದರೆ we are again grow or again we can reuse. Natural resources get replenished in nature easily. Again we can fill up that. Example, wildlife and forest. Forest, how means once if you cut the trees, again we can grow the trees. Likewise we can fill up the nature. But non-renewable resources, it cannot be replenished once depleted. That means once the fossil fuels or minerals can get over, we cannot get that. So this is about the renewable and non-renewable resources. Next, renewable resources is of two types, that is inexhaustible and exhaustible resources. First we shall discuss about the inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means resources which are continuously available for use. That means we are using so many energies like solar energies, wind energy, electricity. Is it or not? Yes. It cannot be over or it cannot be get depleted. It cannot get depleted. That means it can use it continuously and it is available for us continuously. But exhaustible resources may get depleted by continuous use. That means once it is over, we cannot get that. So this is about the inexhaustible and exhaustible resources. Well children, today in this class we learned the meaning of natural resources, that is things occur in nature and that are useful to us are called natural resources, and two types of resources, that is living resources and non-living resources. Living resources is of two types, forest, wildlife. Non-living resources, it is classified into two types, that is renewable and non-renewable. Non-renewable ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ minerals, fossil fuels. Again renewable resources is classified into inexhaustible and exhaustible. Inexhaustible examples solar energy, wind energy. Exhaustible wildlife and forest. I think you have understood. In the next class we continue with this chapter, and here I have given some homework. Write down the given questions 2 times in HW. What are natural resources? Distinguish between renewable and non-renewable resources. Give examples for renewable resources. Write the difference between inexhaustible and exhaustible resources. By referring these points, you can answer these questions. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And complete the homework today only. Before 8 o'clock you have to send. Thank you.